right, so here we go. We've got a case here in Panama City where a developer has 6 of these guys that have been trampled by Hurricane Michael, and he's got an issue with his builder's risk policy. So this is one of those situations where you have to figure out, you know, can you get away from Xactimate with these insurance companies? They always want to use the Xactimate software, but that doesn't always happen. So through here, kind of walk in and kind of let you see a few things. But obviously Xactimate's a good product, but when you get into a new construction house that's kind of decimated, stucco's already on, you're in a situation where mold is growing, and you know, you got a house that was actually in progress, you know, so and it's a 2020 house, so there's a lot going on here, and costs have risen because of the whole COVID shebang, and you're also in disaster times, so labor's not the same. So there's a lot of things that you have to do. You know, the windows are fogging, kind of hard to see there, but it's one of those things where you got to think outside the box as an insurance company and say, okay, well, we'll just get away from our Xactimate numbers and let's talk to somebody who can actually put us together a cost for how it needs to be put back together. But also keep in mind, this house hasn't been sold to anyone because it's a builder's risk policy. So how are we going to maintain the integrity of the warranties? You know, that's something that's got to be considered, and we got to put together a real cost on this type of stuff. So we'll see what we can do here. We got 6 of these to look at today and see how we can give some real numbers to it. But anyway, guys, you got an issue with an insurance claim, or you just want to do a construction project, give us a shout at Addison Riley, 850-776-5009.